Hi, in this video I am going to be showing you how to use the outline view in Google Docs. So as you can see, I have a Google Doc open, and this is a marketing meeting master agenda between me and Kristen. And as you can see, I have the outline view open right now. How do I get that open? You have to go to View, and then you go to Show Document Outline. Now, why is the document outline important? The document outline is important because it lets me jump quickly to different meetings, right? If I need to go to the meeting from the 31st, I can quickly do that and find all those topics that we covered and the action items from that meeting. And then from here, why we keep all the meetings in one document, especially for an internal meeting like this, is because now let's say I wanted to find the Chomps Fitness campaign. Well, I could just search Chomps and either go through it this way and it's going to see anytime Chomps is mentioned, or I could go Chomps Fitness and it's going to take me to exactly what I'm looking for. And to get this screen up, you have to click Command F on a Mac computer and it will take you to this search bar. So that's pretty much the reason we use this. In terms of making these headers, how do you do this? What you do is you can highlight the text. So this text up here is the title, and you can see that right up here. These are the different outlines that you can make, and this makes it super easy to jump around and organize things properly. So let's say for example this is the header 1 right here. You can also change this by, let's say I want to make this bold. I can make that bold, but if I want to make them all bold, I can go to update heading 1 to match, and it should change all of the heading 1s to the new format. So another useful tool. Then let's say I wanted to make heading 2s here. I can make topics a heading 2, and even action items a heading 2. So I could see just maybe I just want to do action items, right? And just jump to what's most important with each of these. And in this case, I will just change this back to just normal text. But yeah, that's why we use the document outline view. It's very helpful. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have. But if you do have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.